Hey everybody, we're still back with World Puppet Day. And representing the world, we have Fifi. It's a big responsibility, the whole world in the center of your eyeballs.
Yeah. Happy World's Puppet Day.
Thank you. So we have a little parade scheduled for you here at the end of time. We're collaborating with the beginning of time as well.
Let's go.
Okay, how it will work is each of us will come by, look great at you, and hopefully smile. Here's my smile. Very big
Wait, wait,
smile.
wait. Wait.
Okay, I'm the first person. Here's my big smile.
Okay. Who was that? Ah, ah, so beautiful she is. Hey, hey, beautiful.
I'm from the beginning of time. Unlike all these end of time people.
Nice.
I know it's a hard choice, but you are great judges. Who is the most puppety puppet in all of time?
I cannot say
You got to pick somebody
rather
has to win.
than Asa wins. It goes to Asa.
Wow. Who would have guessed? I did, but I hope no one else did either. Okay. I look forward to doing more collaborations with you on other days of the year.
I hope so. Thank you for being here. I
And
love
thank you to
your
everyone in the
outfit.
parade. Okay, bye.
Bye.